Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time, your support. Brought in some tempered glass screen protectors for my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 dummy device. And I know that some of you are thinking, why would you pay money for a tempered glass screen protector for a dummy device?
Tell me!
Well, because I'm going to treat this little guy like it's the real deal until I receive the real deal. I got to review a lot of cases, folks. And a lot of these case companies want me to showcase cases for this specific device early. Some want me to wait. So for the ones that don't want me to wait, I'm going to be using this dummy device until I receive the actual one. So I'm going to treat it as if it's the real deal.
Can you dig it?
The material on this dummy device is not as solid as what we're going to get on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So I want to protect this display so I don't accidentally do any damage to it. So putting on a screen protector is going to protect the dummy device. And then number two, we get to test the screen protector up against the cases that I'm going to review before I receive my actual Z Fold 8. I brought in a clear case, did a review on this guy, and I got to tell you, man, that video took off. $10 case to protect my dummy device.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And I actually did a pocket test with one of my shirts, and it fits right into my pocket. Now, the shirts I have don't have a flap to button down. So if you have a shirt that has a flap that can button down, you'll be able to protect your Z Fold 8. This is not a bulky case or a minimalistic case. It's right in between, and still it was pocket friendly with my shirt. You can go check that video out. So anyway, there are some film screen protectors for the inner display, but I'm not going to put those on or put that on. Here's the information over at Amazon. Okay, third-party company there, and basically 10 smacks is what I paid. It's right there. Okay, and I actually get camera protection as well. I might put that on as well. So anyway, what I want to do is open the package. I'll put my Motorola Razr Fold over there. Move that here. Blade always away from your person, okay? You need to sharpen that blade. So here's some cleaning kits. Screen protector accessories. We need one. Camera protection, you get two, so that's pretty cool. That's what that looks like. Yeah, I might put that on. Put that over there. You got the squeegee here if you decide you want to use the film inner display protection. Here you go. Let's see how many glass protectors I get. 2 of them and 2 film for the inner display. So I only need 1. Put that over here. Bring that right here. So there's not going to be a guide. So what I'm going to do is actually put the case on and use the frame as a guide, and we'll see if that works. So I'll put that to the side there. Okay, so what I want to do is zoom on in a little bit. There we go. Say hello to Godzilla.
Actually, I need my little rubbery mat to keep my Z Fold 8 in place there. Okay. Yeah, so hopefully I don't mess this up. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit. That way, we're not here all day long. There's your alcohol prep wipes, your microcloth, and your dust absorber.
I almost forgot to put the case on. So there's a couple bubbles there that you can squeeze out with your fingernail. But I don't see any issues with the screen protector in this $10 case I purchased over at Amazon. I would say it's a definite go with this screen protector. Again, you may have to work out the bubbles, but that's just something you're going to have to be patient with. And then once you get them out, everything should be good. Now, I can't test the touch response, but I do have one tempered glass screen protector left, which I will put on the actual device once it gets to me in-house so I can test out the touch response.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
Definitely have a good amount of border all the way around to protect the outer top, bottom, and sides of your Z Fold 8. But the screen protector outside of that bubble looks great. No issues with lifting. I would suggest using a adhesive strip on the inside of the thinnest part of the frame there. You can purchase them over at Amazon as well, or else that's going to move. Now, there's no issue in opening with the frame popping off because it's connected with these little GPU connectors at the top and at the bottom. So that's a huge thumbs up. So what I want to do is put on the camera protection. And that's going to be very simple to just remove that, place over the top, just like that. And if you're going to be taking pictures, shooting video, make sure you give the camera protection there a really good wipe down. I've used a lot of different camera protectors on many different smartphones, and as long as those cameras, well, the protector is clean over the top of the cameras, you're going to get great quality video and get great quality pictures. So again, through experience, I have no complaints. And a lot of these third-party accessories have gotten a lot better over the years as well. So the more protection, in my opinion, the better. Thumbs up. Okay. Very simple process. If you have a case, put it on, use it to put on the screen protector. And again, during the process, I almost forgot about the case. Whew. Anyway, with that, thanks for watching. Any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. The link to buy the case and tempered glass screen protector and the film for the inner display, all of that info down below in the description area. God bless you all. Peace. I'm out.